In today's video, QUOC introduces a specialized equipment solution for automated door frame production, the 45-degree cutting machine and the automatic hinge milling machine. Starting with the 45-degree cutting machine, door frame components are automatically fed through a roller conveyor system. Two synchronized cutting units move precisely along guided axes, delivering a sharp and perfectly accurate 45-degree cut. Compared to manual cutting with a sliding table saw, this system provides higher cutting speed, near-perfect repeatability, reduced dependency on operator skill, stable performance for mass production. For higher production demands, we also offer an advanced version of the 45-degree cutting machine. This upgraded model integrates dual 45-degree angle drilling units on both ends. Immediately after cutting, the system automatically performs precise joint drilling without transferring the workpiece to another machine. This means no need to invest in a separate drilling machine, reduced labor requirements, optimized factory floor space. Next is the automatic hinge milling machine for door frames. The machine is equipped with 3 independent drilling and milling stations, allowing flexible processing of various hinge types. Servo-controlled movements ensure high precision in every machining cycle. With a maximum working length of up to 3,000 millimeters, the machine accommodates a wide range of door frame specifications, including export standards. Both machines can be integrated into a fully synchronized automatic production line. With this solution, manufacturers can produce hundreds of door frame sets per day while maintaining consistent accuracy and uniform quality. If your company is looking for a professional and scalable door frame production solution ready for international standards, contact QUOC today for a tailored consultation and optimal factory configuration.